welcome back to Pure Lottie. So today's video is another plus size haul. So if you want to see what items I've got today and see me try them on, then make sure you keep watching. And if you like today's video, don't forget to hit the thumbs up down below because it really helps me out. And if you're new, don't forget to join my family, hit that subscribe button and change that notification bell to all so you don't miss any of my future videos. So let's jump in. So super quick, I did forget to mention I am an Australian size 20 to 22 and I am 164 centimeters, which I think equates to about 5'4". So those are my measurements and I normally wear a size L at City Chic. So the first piece for today's haul is this pair of shorts. It has come from City Chic. They are a size large and they have the tie on the front. This can actually come off. It does go through the belt loops. I've just tucked my singlet in, so it does come up to a nice length. It comes down to my knees just here. I picked these up for $10 and I've just picked them up to wear around the house on summer days. I think they look pretty nice and I really love the pattern. I think they could also be, oh, they've got pockets. I didn't realise they had pockets. They've got pockets on both sides, and they could probably be worn, you know, like going to the beach or the pool. They're super cute. I really like them. So this next item is just this pair of leggings. It's in this cute like greeny khaki colour, which I'm really digging at the moment. I picked this up from Best and Less in a size 24, I think it is. And I picked them up for $2.98. They are full length. They do come all the way down. I just picked them up because they were so cheap and I love, you know, wearing leggings and being comfy, especially around the house. This next piece is this shirt. I really love it. It is from City Chic. It is in a size L, so large. It is super comfortable. It is a really nice length. I love the sleeves on it. Super comfy. I've got plenty of room in it. I am now leaning more on like the large medium side to small large. So yeah, this is really pretty and really comfortable. I also picked this up for $10, so an absolute steal. I think it is super cute. I'm really loving these like greens and orange colours. It's really pretty. So this next piece I picked up from City Chic also. I paid $30 for this shirt. It is in a size XL for my arms. Because my arms are quite big compared to the rest of my body. So I absolutely love this. I think it is absolutely stunning and I cannot wait to wear this out. How pretty is this? Now the only thing I do really want to mention is it is see-through, so you can see like my bra and my singlet. I have pushed the straps down, but you could probably wear the shirt up to cover your straps if you really wanted to. Maybe just push them off to the side just a little bit like that, and then it becomes like a little bit more like ruffled here. So I guess that's really what your preference is, what you want to wear it like. I would definitely wear a singlet underneath it because it is so see-through, but I really do like it. So this next piece I also brought from City Chic. It is in an XL again. They didn't have any L in stock, so I thought this looked cute even though it is a bit oversized. I really love it. I picked it up for $20 and red is my favourite colour, so I couldn't go past it. So the sleeve length is really nice. I don't mind showing the top of my arms. It's the bottom of my arms that I'm most self-conscious about, so it ticks all the boxes for me. The length is really nice. This is what the back looks like. So yeah, I absolutely love this. You can see like my singlet and everything under it. I absolutely love this, and again, I think it was an absolute bargain. So this last piece here I picked up from Best and Less for $3. It is in a size 26. It does run quite small, but they didn't have any smaller sizes in it. Now, it doesn't have adjustable straps, so it is absolutely massive. If I put it where it's meant to be, I've got heaps of leftover, but I thought that would be okay because I could just pin that up or sew it so the straps aren't as long. I don't mind the amount of room that I've got. I can comfortably eat, sit, you know, be super comfortable in it. I could wear it around the house, I could wear it to the beach, you know, dress it up, dress it down. I just need to fix the straps a little bit. So I think it was an absolute bargain, but it looks like this on the front and it has the button details. And on the back it's the same. Just without the buttons. So yeah, I really like this piece. So I hope you enjoyed this plus size haul. If you did, don't forget to hit the thumbs up down below because it really helps me out. And if you're new, don't forget to join my family. Hit that subscribe button and change that notification bell to all so you don't miss any of my future videos. And as always, thanks for watching, guys. Bye!